According to studies, some natural ingredients have been used to help get rid of parasites from the body for many years. These ingredients are simple to incorporate into your daily routine. Some of these are: 1. Honey. Another all-natural product that has been employed for generations to assist in the removal of parasites from the body is honey. Antioxidants, which aid in the prevention of infection and the treatment of inflammation, are abundant in honey. Honey can be consumed straight from the jar or mixed with porridge, smoothies, or other dishes. 2. Pumpkin seeds. The removal of parasites from the body is another benefit of eating pumpkin seeds. Because pumpkin seeds contain a lot of zinc, they can support the immune system and reduce inflammation. Pumpkin seeds can be thrown into salads, smoothies, or even sprinkled on top of porridge. 3. Garlic. In order to combat parasites, garlic has long been utilized. It contains allicin, a potent substance that aids in parasite eradication. Garlic is also thought to be able to boost the formation of white blood cells, which helps shield your body from harmful pathogens. Garlic is best consumed fresh or hardly cooked to reap its full nutritional benefits. 4. Papaya seeds. The removal of parasites from the body is another benefit associated with papaya seeds. Antioxidants and antiparasitic substances abound in papaya seeds. Papaya seeds can be consumed as capsules or ground up and used for smoothies and other dishes. These all-natural components can assist to rid the body of parasites and improve general health. Including these nutrients in your diet is a wonderful place to start if you're seeking a natural strategy to maintain your body healthy.